Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FAEZ bin Ibrahim, and our group will be presenting about the emergence of circular economy in the construction industry. I will start the presentation with the objectives. For this presentation, we have two objectives, which is the benefits of implementing the concept of circular economy in the construction industry, and the next one is exploring the best practices of circular economy that could be applicable in the Malaysian construction industry. Alright, next is what are circular economy for construction industry in general. Okay, circular economy for construction industry promotes a sustainable and efficient approach to construction by minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization. And not just that, it encourages durable and adaptable design, waste reduction, and the use of renewable and low carbon materials. It aims to create and build an environment that is efficient, resilient, and regenerative. Alright, next I will continue with the current scenario of circular economy in Malaysia for construction industry. Okay, first, a circular economy in Malaysia is an alternative to our existing consumption paradigm, which is primarily reliant on the utilization of scarce resources and produce wasteful waste. Not just that, this circular economy in Malaysia means that we reuse rather than discard, which is this conserve resources and boost their value. We prefer reuse over replacement. The emphasis on resource efficiency, the utilization of renewable resources, and economic growth as a whole has motivated several policymakers and business leaders to take action, which is good. That is the current scenario of circular economy in Malaysia for construction industry.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is ZULHILMI, and I'm going to talk about the benefits of implementing the concept of circular economy in construction industry. There's four benefits, which is the first one is it can reduce waste. The trash produced by the building sector is significant and consists of packaging, extra supplies, and demolition garbage. By maximizing material usage and creating structures that are simply to demolish and recycle, construction businesses may decrease waste by using the principle of the circular economy. And the second one is cost saving by reducing waste disposable expenses, cutting materials prices via reuse and recycling, and lowering energy consumption through improved building design. Construction businesses may save money by adopting circular economy concepts. And for the third one is it can reduce carbon emission. The manufactures of construction materials and energy consumptions during building operations are the main ways that the construction sector significantly contributes to global greenhouse gas emission. By lowering the energy needed to generate new materials and the quantity of trash transport to landfills, applying circular economy concepts can minimize the carbon footprint of building operation. And the last benefits, which is it can give job opportunities. The concept sector's transition to a circular economy may open up a new job possibilities in field including materials recovery, waste management, and building reconstruction.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NAJMI bin ZAMAN. So I would like to explain about the best practices of circular economy that could be applicable in the Malaysian construction industry. So the first one is using recycled materials. The use of recycled materials in Malaysian building can lessen the demand for virgin resources and also the carbon footprints of construction operations. So example of such material is recycled steel, concrete, and glass. So the next one is implementing construction waste management practice. To prevent the disposal of recyclable materials, those in industry can follow best practice in waste management, such as sorting and separating garbage. This strategy can lower the price of trash disposal while improving resource efficiency. So the next one is practicing green procurement. The building sector in Malaysia can use green procurement procedure that take the environment into account while choosing product and resources. The use of sustainable resource may be encouraged through this strategy, which also can advance a more circular economy. The next one is embracing a collaborative approach. In order to improve sustainability and circularity, the Malaysian construction sector can adopt a cooperative strategy by bringing together stakeholders from all points along value chain. This strategy can assist in locating fresh possibilities and creative fix for waste reduction and resource efficiency. So the last one is designing for disassembly. Buildings made to be disassembled are simple to disassemble, and the materials may be repurposed or reused. This strategy can lessen waste, minimize and material price, and lessen how much of an influence building operations have on the environment. So that's all for the best practice circular economy that can apply in the Malaysian construction industry.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad ZIHNI. Yes, I will continue with the recommendations for promoting and facilitating. Okay, based on the research findings, recommendations for promoting will be formulated to support the adoptions of circular economy practices in the construction sector. For the number one is about the policy measures. Develop and implement policies that incentivize and support circular economic practices in the construction industry. This can include financial rewards for businesses that adopt circular business models, grants or subsidies to support resource conservations and waste minimizations. For the number two, it's about awareness campaign. Engage with the public and raise awareness about the importance of sustainable construction practices. This can also include collaboration with industry associations, academic institutions to promote circular economy principles and share best practices to conferences, industry events and publications. Number three is about financial support. Collaborate with financial institutions and investors to create innovative financial instruments and products that support circular economy practices in the construction sector. This can include green bonds, impact investment funds, and sustainable investment portfolios. Number four, collaborations and partnerships. Foster collaboration between government agencies, industries, associations, academic institutions, and private sector companies to drive the adoption of circular economic principles. This can involve the formation of public-private partnerships, joint research initiatives, and collaborative projects that showcase the benefits and feasibility of circular practices. In conclusion, to enhance sustainability and decrease waste in the construction industry of Malaysia, it is recommended to adopt circular economy principles and adhere to best practices. This approach will improve resource efficiency, reduce environmental harm, and promote a sustainable future. By embracing circular economy practices, the construction industry can reap numerous advantages, leading to a robust and sustainable sector and contributing to a sustainable future for all.